Konnichiwa. Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from Timelessjewelbydebra. So I know you all want to know who the winner is. I do too, right? So this will be the picking the winner from our Namebrand handbag collab that we had on February 12th and 13th. It was so much fun. There were 11 of us. If you guys have not gotten a chance to see those videos, you can go back on my channel, and in the Namebrand handbag underneath, it will have the direct links to every one of the videos. And I think everyone got pretty good boxes, but you guys are going to have to go look if you haven't seen it. So to be entered in the giveaway, your choice was either a black two-piece set, and these are bag liners in black, or beige, and these are so great. Oh, and they really do keep you organized. So I thought, what better thing for Namebrand handbags to keep you guys organized. And all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. We had so much fun doing the collab that I hope we do one again really soon. Here is a list of all of the people that were on and their time. So if you don't know any of these sellers, check them out. We have some fantastic creators with us. So that was a lot of fun. So what I'm going to do is I am going to share my screen. Now, this is important. When you win, when the winner wins, I will not be contacting you. I will not ask for a text. I will not call you. I will not email me. You need to email me, and I do that so it's for your protection. I will never text or call or email you as a winner. You need to contact me because there are a lot of scams out there, and I don't want you guys to get burned by it. So, all right, let me go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to put myself over here. All right, so I have already put in the video link, and I have put filter duplicate users, and we are going to draw one winner. So let me go ahead and get down here. I already solved this, the math question. Let me go ahead and do get YouTube comments. There were 39. So, all right, I'm going to go over here, and we are going to pick a winner. Good luck, everybody. Let's see who it is. Single Mom Review. Hello, Deborah. My favorite color is orange. The Michael Kors bag is definitely my favorite. The beige and black purse organizers are so handy to have. Oh, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Well, congratulations, Single Mom. I absolutely love it. So please make sure that you email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com, right there. And I will need your shipping information. So, all right, you guys, well, you have a fantastic day. Oh, and don't forget, tell me if you want black or beige. So thanks so much, you guys. And make sure that you check out my new jewelry video. One dropped on Tuesday the 20th. I have another coming out on the 22nd, and I do live sales every Saturday at 12 noon Central Standard Time. So, all right, you guys, short and sweet. Congratulations, and thanks, everyone. I will talk to you real soon. Have a fantastic evening or day wherever you are in the small world. So, all right, you guys, be well, take care of each other, and tell someone you love them today. Sayonara.